Natural light and fresh air play a major role in creating comfortable, inviting living spaces, especially in Glendale, where sunny days and warm weather are part of everyday life. Homeowners are increasingly turning to modern patio doors as a practical way to brighten interiors, improve airflow, and create a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Beyond their visual appeal, today's patio doors are engineered to enhance comfort while supporting energy efficiency. Here's how modern patio doors help Glendale homeowners enjoy brighter, breezier homes year-round. Expansive glass panels flood homes with natural light. One of the most noticeable advantages of modern patio doors is their large glass surface area. Compared to older doors with bulky frames, newer designs use slimmer profiles that maximize glass exposure. This design allows sunlight to penetrate deeper into living spaces, rooms to feel larger and more open, reduced reliance on artificial lighting during the day. In Glendale homes, where natural sunlight is abundant, modern patio doors help homeowners fully take advantage of that brightness without overwhelming interiors. Improved indoor-outdoor connection enhances light flow. Modern patio doors blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. Clear, unobstructed views of patios, yards, or pools visually extend living spaces and allow light to move freely throughout the home. This connection creates a seamless transition between interior and exterior spaces, makes rooms feel less enclosed, enhances the overall ambiance of the home. Even when doors are closed to keep out heat, the visual openness remains. Wide openings encourage better airflow. Ventilation is essential in Glendale's warm climate, especially during spring and fall when outdoor air is comfortable. Modern patio doors are designed to open wider and more smoothly than older models. Benefits include increased airflow through main living areas, easier circulation of fresh air, reduced indoor stuffiness. When paired with windows on the opposite side of the home, patio doors help create natural cross-ventilation that cools interiors naturally. Sliding and multi-panel designs support flexible ventilation. Modern patio doors come in several configurations, including sliding, French style, and multi-panel designs. Sliding patio doors are especially effective for controlling airflow. Homeowners can adjust how much fresh air enters the home, ventilate large spaces without fully opening doors, enjoy breezes without sacrificing security. This flexibility makes modern patio doors ideal for Glendale households that want airflow without compromising comfort. Energy-efficient glass manages heat while letting in light. A common concern with large glass doors is heat gain, but modern patio doors are designed to manage this effectively. Advanced glass technology allows light to enter while minimizing unwanted heat. Energy-efficient features include low-E glass coatings that reflect solar heat, double or triple pane insulated glass, tight seals that prevent air leakage. This ensures Glendale homeowners enjoy bright interiors without higher cooling costs. Improved comfort in shared living spaces. Patio doors are often located in family rooms, kitchens, or dining areas, spaces where people gather most. Increased light and airflow improve comfort in these high-use areas. Homeowners notice more comfortable temperatures near doors, brighter, more welcoming rooms, better overall indoor air quality. These improvements enhance daily living and make homes more enjoyable for family and guests alike. Easy operation encourages daily use. Modern patio doors are designed for smooth, effortless operation. Lightweight materials and advanced track systems make opening and closing doors simple. This ease of use encourages homeowners to ventilate more often, makes indoor-outdoor living more accessible, enhances everyday convenience. When doors are easy to use, homeowners are more likely to enjoy their benefits regularly. Professional installation maximizes light and airflow benefits. To fully experience the advantages of modern patio doors, professional installation is essential. Expert installers ensure proper alignment for smooth operation, secure sealing to maintain efficiency, correct placement to maximize light and airflow. A brighter, breezier home for Glendale living. Modern patio doors offer Glendale homeowners a powerful way to enhance natural light and airflow while maintaining comfort and efficiency. With expansive glass, smooth operation, energy-efficient features, and thoughtful design, these doors transform everyday living spaces into bright, open environments. For homeowners looking to improve comfort, embrace natural light, and enjoy fresh air, upgrading to modern patio doors is a smart investment that elevates both lifestyle and home value.